Tianmen Mountain, a colossal monument to nature's indomitable forces, stands tall at an elevation of 4,980 feet, 1,580 meters above the sea, an awe-inspiring testimony to the enduring spirit of creation. It is cradled in the heart of Zhangjiajie, China, a geological marvel that bears witness to epochs of change, where ancient forces sculpted its rugged cliffs and nurtured its abundant vegetation. This sacred site has earned reverence as a gateway to celestial realms, drawing pilgrims and adventurers on a transformative odyssey of faith and self-discovery. The ascent of Tianmen Mountain is no mere physical feat. It is a pilgrimage of the soul, marked by 100 steps that wend their way to the summit. Each step is a testament to the arduous path that seekers willingly tread, an allegorical journey towards a profound connection with their faith. With every stride, they draw nearer to the heavens, their hearts lifted by the anticipation of revelation. Among the many wonders that grace Tianmen, its sunrise stands as one of the most enchanting. Owing to its lofty altitude, the mountain witnesses the dawn almost half an hour earlier than the surrounding cities. The sky transforms into a canvas of gold and crimson, leaving an indelible mark on the soul of every beholder. It is a moment of transcendence, where the boundaries between earth and sky seem to dissolve, and the human spirit soars in the embrace of the natural world. As day gently surrenders to night, Tianmen reveals yet another marvel. The setting sun bestows its warm farewell upon the mountain, extending twilight by up to 45 minutes. This phenomenon has earned Tianmen the poetic title of an endless sky without darkness. In its radiant glow, the mountain stands as a beacon, a source of luminance in a world veiled in night. Along the slopes of the mountain, temples and sanctuaries bear witness to centuries of spiritual devotion. They are the sentinels of this sacred ground, preserving its sanctity for generations to come. Monks and caretakers who have made Tianmen their home impart a sense of continuity to the mountain's sacred legacy. The legends that enshroud Tianmen Mountain weave tales of divine intervention, mythical creatures, and the indomitable spirit of humanity. These narratives, passed down through generations, infuse the mountain with an aura of mystery and wonder. They serve as a reminder to all who come that Tianmen is more than a geological formation. It is a living entity, resonating with the hopes and dreams of every visitor. Within the heart of Tianmen, one discovers not only a gateway to heaven, but a sanctuary for the soul. It is a place where the ancient rhythm of nature harmonizes with the human spirit, inviting all who come to embark on a pilgrimage of the heart. In the embrace of Tianmen Mountain, faith is kindled, and the boundless beauty of the natural world is revealed in all its majesty. The allure of Tianmen Mountain transcends borders, drawing tourists from every corner of the globe. They come in search of not only natural splendor, but a profound connection with history, spirituality, and the raw power of the earth itself. As one wanders along the mountain's paths, a diverse tapestry of visitors comes into view. Some are intrepid adventurers determined to conquer the 100 steps and reach the summit. They arrive armed with hiking gear, faces flushed with determination, each step a testament to their spirit of exploration. Others come in pursuit of spiritual enlightenment, seeking solace in the mountain's ancient embrace. For them, Tianmen is more than a geological marvel. It is a sacred space, resonant with the energies of countless pilgrims who have come before. Families, hand in hand, embark on this journey together. Parents share tales of legends, passing down the rich folklore that weaves through Tianmen's history. Children gaze wide-eyed at the towering cliffs and verdant forests, their imaginations ignited by the sheer scale of nature's artistry. Photographers and artists find inspiration at every turn. The interplay of light and shadow, the juxtaposition of rugged terrain and delicate flora, offers a canvas of infinite possibility. Each frame captures a fragment of Tianmen's majesty, a testament to the enduring beauty that has captivated humanity for millennia. Tourists from distant lands may not share a common language, but they share a universal language of awe and wonder. Their cameras click and their eyes widen, their expressions echoing the sentiment. Here is something extraordinary, something that transcends the ordinary confines of daily life. The local vendors and artisans, too, play their part in the tapestry of visitors. They offer trinkets and treasures, mementos that serve as tangible reminders of the journey. Through their crafts, they extend a piece of time and spirit, allowing visitors to carry a fragment of this sacred space with them. As the sun sets, casting its golden glow across the horizon, a collective hush falls over the crowd. Together, they witness the mountain's transition from day to night, a moment of shared reverence for the natural world. It is a reminder that, regardless of nationality or creed, humanity is bound by a common awe for the grandeur of our planet. In the hearts of these visitors, Taimen leaves an indelible mark. They depart, but the memory of this ancient mountain lingers, a testament to the power of nature to inspire, to unite, and to remind us of our place within the grandeur of the universe.